Hey folks, let's review the syllabus. All right, the syllabus, it's a handful of pages, so I'm not going to go through every page. I just want to go over some of the highlights. So I'm actually on the syllabus page here. I'm going to click on a copy of the syllabus. You will be able to access this exact same information if you were in the modules, and then you go to course syllabus, course policies, and grading. So either way, you're going to get the same information, right? So if you click on this picture, click on the picture there, and then a copy of the syllabus will pop up. You also can download the syllabus here, okay? So like I said, I'm not going to review everything on the syllabus because your job is to read it, all right? But important information, you can email me. I'm going to highlight. Please email me using the Canvas inbox. Listen, it's Sunday night. I got 17 students I got to get back to in the morning. So use the Canvas inbox. That's the fastest way to get me. My chafy email inbox gets clogged. The number of emails I get in a day is nutty. So this way I know these are all students that I have to get to. Okay. So hit me up in the Canvas inbox first. All right. The other thing I want to highlight, we're going to talk about this some more, is our textbook for the course. We are using Don Ellen's Merchandising Buying Management. I included the ISBN information here, but we have free access. You have free access to the book using this link that will take you all over to the textbook. Okay, so go through that textbook page in the module. It will get you over there. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I covered my mouth though in the room by myself. All right. So communication is really important. How I'm going to contact you, how you're going to contact me, and my visiting hours. So when you can come and see me: Monday between 1 and 2, Tuesday and Wednesday between 12 and noon. And you can access my visiting hours through this link. I'm actually not using Zoom right now. I'm using Cranium Cafe. So let me update that on the syllabus. It's actually going to be Cranium Cafe. But either way, it's going to be the link right here. All right. So use that link to come on by and see me. Late assignment policy, weekly grind. In case of something going crazy with Canvas, I will adjust the late assignment policy. But you waiting to the last minute and then your computer not working is not catastrophic system-wide Canvas failure. Okay, so manage your time. Grading policy, what it's worth, all the assignments that we're going to do, total points available. Let's see what else. What else is here? Oh, just the graded activities, what they're worth, a description of what they are, expectations, academic honesty, all those things are important. And then if we get to the very end, the grind. So what we're going to do every week. And if we go back to the syllabus page or back to the modules, and we go back to the syllabus page, I also have a copy of the grind here on the syllabus page at your discretion. And then also underneath the course summary. So it tells you again, every assignment and when it's due. And if you go over and click into your calendar, it will have this information as well. So for this is my calendar, so I have way more things on there. But if I were to click on FASHM M11, it'll tell me the things that are due. So so these are all the things that are due for you just for this class. Okay, you will see it here. Okay, if you have a bunch of classes, it'll show all your classes here. If you click them all, it'll show all of those assignments on one calendar. So if I add 45 and 10 in here, it'll show all the assignments that are due for them in different colors. Okay. All right. So review the syllabus. I went through it very quickly, but go ahead, review the syllabus. Come on back here. Let me click over to where we are. Review the syllabus, work through the module. So again, you're probably about here. You may have clicked on over here, work through that. There's another video here in textbook info. There's another video on what to expect, important Canvas stuff, So there's a couple more videos you need to watch before you get to the assignment. But I just want to make sure you have an overview of the couple of places that you can find your syllabus and when things are due. All right, hit me in the inbox.